the lab. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Right. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's perfect. No. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Celine? Yes. Okay. So this is if you request okay, you have a reporting scheme there. That's perfect. If you request a new staining, how does that work? You cannot do that right now. It's not possible. Okay, that's not possible yet. An H&E. Okay, well, because yeah. Yeah. So Celine, what I understood is that the hospital is aiming for a GCI accreditation. That's correct, eh? Yeah. So I see a major risk here. And the major risk is that the numbering of your blocks of your cases is not unique. Yes. Sorry? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's very important. So maybe Celine, I can show you how we do the numbering here in Brussels right now. And it's Brussels is just the same. I will share my screen with you.